Alright, I want to do a quick video. Did some troubleshooting. It's a 96 Subaru Legacy Outback. Has a 2.2 engine in it. Used to have a 2.5, but that doesn't really matter. I was having issues with it. Only the horn wouldn't honk, the battery is fine. Thought it was a battery, replaced it. Car would not turn over, would not start for anything. Got a new battery, still wouldn't start. So I started messing around with the fuses, trying to figure out what might be causing it. Because some, like the windows wouldn't work, the car wouldn't turn over, but it would still beep and make noises. So I decided to pull off the fuse box, the main fuse box, the relay, right here. And then realized that if you can see right here, there's a wire that connects this to, and it was severed. And I'll get that severed in half, and that is called a fusible link. So went to the called the parts stores. They didn't have it, so I had to go to Subaru. Took a couple days, got myself a new fusible link. When this one was bad, I realized that when I touched it a little bit, the door locks would start and then they wouldn't work, so things would kind of come and go. So I knew there was something there. So basically, here is the part number. I got to replace the fusible link, and that seems to hopefully will fix my issue. So car wouldn't start, wouldn't turn over, but I knew the battery was good. Not very good with electronics or wires, but I figured I'd start pulling the fuses, and then found out this was bad. So hopefully that'll help somebody in the future. Pretty sure this will apply to the 1996 to 1999 models. I also own a 99 Subaru Outback as well, so pretty familiar. I'll let you know how it turns out, and be right back.